a bird to your mountain, thou who art weary of sin. Go to the clear flowing fountain, where you may wash and be clean. Fly, for the avenger is near thee. Call, and the Savior will hear thee. He on his bosom will bear thee, thou who art weary of sin. Oh, thou who art weary of sin. He will protect thee forever, wipe every falling tear. He will forsake thee or never, sheltered so tenderly there. Haste now, the hours are flying. Spend not your moments in sighing. Ceased from your sorrow